I want to tell you that I think we are collecting the cast of Mirzapur because we've had Ali, we've had Shweta. I think you would be.
Wow.
Yeah. So as a fan of Mirzapur, I'm just very happy to be sitting across you.
Thank you.
And of course, we've discussed the series. I can't not talk about it because I'm
Of
a
course,
fan.
go for it.
Something that I really enjoyed watching in Mirzapur in your character was just how rock solid that was. I love when women have like a solid voice.
Yeah.
And they sort of they're unabashedly themselves. Jalwa hai hamara.
Hashtag.
That's one of his popular dialogues. And it's also a very popular meme on the internet where, they'll put some premise.
Which, honestly, when we were doing that shot, which I thought was such a cringe dialogue, because, see, no matter how confident, overconfident, or whatever this guy is, so there's a sequence where, someone says something. Huh? Mirzapur.
Sorry.
And someone, this co-actor of mine says, "Ke ye kyun kar rakha hai?" And he says, "Kyunki jalwa hai hamara yahan." And I was like, yeah, but जब वो हो रहा था ना, I was like, देखो मुन्ना, I know, he is his own guy.
He's boisterous.
But just to say this in words, that jalwa hai hamara yahan,
with the
and not even
sunglasses on.
is
Quite a
just
moment, my
was
friend.
really cringe. And I till date I'm so I mean, it has become such a popular meme.
The way you just said it, because of the way you just said it, it's very cool.
Could be. Okay.
If you had said it with very like this, maybe it would have been cringy. But this was very cool. I thought it was very nice.
No, genuinely, I'm not joking. I remember watching it, and I'm like, that's a moment. And then the premise of it basically became that anyone does anything. And if they want to popularize it, the meme just became, yahan jalwa hai hamara. So anyone's winning anything, yahan jalwa hai hamara. What a huge fan I am of Mirzapur. And my dad, actually, we've both seen it.
Wow.
Yeah.
That makes me happy.
Yeah, and I'm a Golu fan.
Come on.
Yeah. So
even I'm a Golu fan.
What has the last few weeks been like for you?
Vani, it's been so overwhelming. It's been a little confusing. And all things from sound healing to bars therapy has been used. Also because जब आप कोई काम करते हो और आप वो fully enjoy करते हो, you are just hoping that when it comes out, people appreciate, people enjoy, and people understand. And by that, by appreciate, I don't mean कि सिर्फ हमें वाह-वाही सुननी है या सिर्फ तालियां सुननी है. We want to know that what are they feeling when they see this? What are they thinking? What are the conversations that are sparking because of what they've seen? So that matters a lot to me. So Mirzapur ke saath, again, I try to not have any expectations, and that's obviously very difficult. But मैंने ये खुद के experiences के साथ देखा है कि जहाँ expectation आ जाती है ना, तो वो मजा कहीं ना कहीं किरकिरा हो ही जाता है. So like in Masan, and that was my first film that came out, or even Kya Mast Hai Life for that matter, I did not expect anything. I did that because I liked the material, I liked the people who were making it, and I put my trust in them. And then Masan, Mirzapur, Kya Mast Hai Life, all these things, they've given me so much. लेकिन वही होता है जब सीजन के बाद दूसरा सीजन आता है, फिर तीसरा सीजन आता है. You are really hoping hard because there is a lot of love, money, of course, that goes into it, effort, but a lot of emotions also go into it. So, and we've been on this journey for almost 9 years now with Mirzapur, with Golu.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, since
been
we
nearly
started.
A decade.
Yeah, exactly. So then those memories, we've lived those memories.
Yeah.
So, तो जब एक लोगों ने देखा, also again understanding that viewing has become so different now.
Yeah.
क्योंकि there is, जो मैंने अभी realize किया, there are also viewers who are anxious viewers.
Yeah.
जिनको जल्दी से खत्म कर देना है, because, and rightly so, I guess, there are such fans of the series that उनको एक रात में खत्म कर देना है और जल्दी से देख लेना है. But the thing is that it is heavy.
Yeah.
It has become darker because of what these characters are going through.
A risk that paid off.
Mirzapur, I mean, the biggest risk,
Yeah. Iconic.
Yeah, nobody was making anything like that. I was told so many times like not to do it.
Shweta has lovely things to say about you, because when we did a podcast with her, she was all praises, not just for you, but the both of you.
Really?
And she said that you were incredibly kind to her in Masan. And she said that you were very helpful and, like a really, really good sort of shoulder to have. Of course, we spoke extensively about Mirzapur and Golu and the impact that Golu has had. And of course, I love that show. Incredible.